Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have a 2019 Ford F-250 Limited. This one has a good amount of work done to it. Tune, DEF delete, so it's pushing, 1,300 foot-pounds of torque. Oh, this thing is awesome. Climb on in. Oh yeah. This is actually the owner, when he did the tune, put the GT screen on this. So this is the same screen as the Ford GT. Well, layout, I should say. All right. Now, after stepping out of an 800 horsepower GT 500, I wasn't expecting this to be all that fast. You get used to power and stuff like that, but nope. This is a freight train. It's a much different kind of power. Modified diesels and such, they make power in very unique ways, and this thing is awesome. It's a freight train. And these are designed to pull things. These aren't designed to set quarter-mile times. But it pulls. And it pulls hard. This is only the 6-speed too. Oh man. Oh, I love vehicles that are fast that really aren't supposed to be fast. And this truck is one of them. Man, oh man. All of you turning? Okay. Oh, that's it. All right, like I said, diesels make power very uniquely. That's one of the ways. Oh, I love trucks. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.